Hello everyone, my name is Ivy.
I'm Karen.
Welcome to my lovely kitchen. Today we are going to teach you how to make a simple dessert.
Why are we in the kitchen? I suppose you are going to teach the fans how to be fashionable.
Because I'm always on the cutting edge of the fashion.
Okay.
Let's start to make the snow cake. Go!
Oh!
The ingredients include
Fresh milk, ultra high temperature milk, anchor butter, sugar, cornstarch, water, jelly powder.
coconut powder,
Putting the sugar and jelly powder into the first bowl. And fresh milk, ultra high temperature milk, and anchor powder into the second bowl. There are 3 steps to make the snow cake. First, heating up the second bowl. Wait until the bubbles rise to the surface. Second, pouring the first bowl into it and stirring it until completely blended. Mixing the cornstarch and water together. Finally, when it bubbles up and the foam is almost overflowing, stirring it while pouring the third bowl into it. Using the baking mold to slice it. Dipping it in sweet coconut powder. Wow!
Now we can put the snow cake into the fridge.
Making this snow cake is easier than I thought, and this dessert is very convenient for someone who doesn't have oven at home.
Do you want to try?
Yummy! It tastes like pudding. Maybe we can let our friends try these delicious cakes.
I'm confident they will love it. What do you think?
Well, I think it's very delicious and texture is very smooth, I think, and a little bit sweet. I really like the texture of the, I don't know what is it?
Coconut powder. Thank you for watching our video. If you like it, please click like
And subscribe our channel.
Bye bye.